Hello, my name is Luis. Today I am going to talk about my dream life in 10 years. Where will I live in 10 years? Where will I live in 10 years? In 10 years, I will live in a big and modern city. I will live in a comfortable house with my family. What job will I have? What job will I have? I will have a stable and well-paid job. I will work in something that I really like. What will my daily life be like? What will my daily life be like? My daily life will be organized and calm. I will work. I will spend time with my family and I like take care of my health. What place will I visit? What places will I visit? I will visit different countries. I am going to travel with my family and I will enjoy new cultures. What will I be able to do that I can do now? What will I be able to do that I can do now? I will be able to travel more and I will have more economic stability. What things will I enjoy the most? What things will I enjoy the most? And will enjoy spend time with my family and will enjoy having a peaceful life. One thing won't I do? What things want I do? I want to things that make me unhappy. I want work in the something I don't like. Thank you for watching my video.